Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to add a video into your Google Slides. So you're going to open up a new tab. Let's just say that you're going into golf and you're looking up like the rules of golf. All you got to do is click on the video that you want. Probably pause it just so it's not playing in the background. Click on the URL, copy paste, and then go to Insert, Video, and then copy paste into here, search it, and boom, you're right there. And then hopefully you know how, if you've got the 4 arrows, that's a moving anywhere you want, and then the 2 arrows facing diagonally, like this, and like this, is to change its size. And that's how you add a video.